Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time, I am Alice and you're welcome to my channel. To my returning subscribers, you guys already know you guys are the best. So guys, in this video I'm going to making a mini twist on my hair, and this is an hairstyle that has really helped me in my journey, my hair growth journey, since I started my hair care journey. If you guys have been following me for some time now, for those that have actually been following me, you will know the length of my hair before I started, and one of the tricks that I've been using is this mini twist and mini braid hairstyle. They're actually a very nice protective hairstyle that helps in growing the hair. And whenever I share my video, my DIY, I always make it very detailed so that in case of those that might want to try making their hair themselves, this is a very perfect video for you to watch, because it is always very detailed. The pattern and how to grip it and everything is always very detailed. So if you want to try it, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch it till the end of the video. And if you're new to the channel and you're still yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe, and yeah, always drop a comment and share the video for others that might be interested in content like this. You get to learn a whole lot in this channel. You get to learn how to grow your hair and also DIY different hairstyles that you can make yourself and rock it as well, you know, to look good, to look beautiful, obviously. So guys, I'll be doing another video on my hair growth journey using this particular protective hairstyle. So you guys should stay tuned and don't go anywhere, because I'm definitely going to show you guys the initial, you know, starting of my mini twist. I mean, how I just fell in love with it, because it really helps me a lot with growing my hair. The way my hair is now, you know, apart from the fact that I also have an hair care routine, I also stick to protective hairstyles that are low tension, that is, they are not tight. I don't do them tight. Most of my hair I braid it myself. I don't go to the salon to make my hair. That's like one of the advantage of the whole thing, because you know, going to the salon, it has to be a professional salon for them to, you know, perfectly handle your hair with care. Because a whole lot of salons, they don't know, I mean, they just know, they know how to make hair, obviously. In fact, they braid hair very well, but then when it comes to the hair care part, they don't have much knowledge about it. So which is why I said that this is an advantage for me, that I style my hair myself. So if you also want to give it a try, you can just, you know, check other my videos. There are other videos that I do, that I did DIYs, and I actually said it in probably my updates, new year update or so, that I'm going to be trying different styles apart from mini braids and mini twists. So I'll be trying other styles so that you guys will be like, "Ah, is it only just mini twist and mini braid that this girl knows how to do?" I actually know how to do other styles as well, but then I'm just in love with this one because it is very easy. It is versatile. Like when you make this hairstyle, you can um you know, style it in a different way. You can also wash your hair even while you're in this braid, and then you can do your hair care routine, you know, those oiling of your scalp, massaging of your scalp. That's the reason why I love this hairstyle a lot. So it gives me that time to still take care of my hair and even grow my hair while my hair is in braid. So that's why I do this style a lot. And even there are other styles that I'm going to be trying, and you guys are definitely going to be seeing it, that you can actually still do your actual hair care routine whenever you are in the style. Yes. So if you've watched this video to this part, you guys, I love you so much. I love you so much. And if you're still here to give the video a big thumbs up, baby girl, what are you still waiting for? Oh yeah, tap on that thumbs up. Oh yeah, give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. So guys, look at how everything went. This hair actually didn't take much time, unlike the previous one that I used to do. It was just very fast. I don't know why, but then I guess because it is twist, but usually my braids used to take longer time. And then before, even if I'm braiding my hair, my natural hair, it used to take me like 5 hours plus, but now because my hair is now full and longer than before, it now takes me 9 hours to complete it. But this particular one, it didn't take me up to 9 hours. I think it was around 7 hours or less than. I can't remember the exact time. So guys, this is me, the usual thing. Like I said, this hair is very versatile. You can manipulate it a lot. You can do different hairstyle. I can style it in a different way. And when I'm saying manipulate, I'm not saying in a way that it will damage the hair, okay? I'm talking about in a way that you can style it differently. If you don't want to be looking the same all the time, you can style the hair in a different way. So I've been getting so many questions about how the tips of my hair doesn't lose. So I use hair mousse, as you guys have seen from the video. That is what I use, and it doesn't lose. The tip of my hair doesn't lose after I make my twist. So guys, this is it. Look at the look. This is so beautiful, and I'm really loving the journey. I'm really loving this journey of my hair growth, and I hope you are enjoying it too. So this is going to be the end of the video. Make sure you don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys in another video. For now, bye.